If your iPhone isn't ringing on incoming calls or maybe ring but they have no sound after iOS 27 update, don't panic. Follow every process because one of these fixes could be the one that fixes your problem. So first let's check the basic things because many people miss them. So this is the main reason because your iPhone is accidentally switched it into silent mode. Now open your control center and here you just have to check if any focus mode is turned on. If it is, go ahead and turn it off as it can sometimes causes issues. If your iPhone still isn't ringing, check your ringtone settings. Open settings, go to sound and haptics and make sure the ringtone and alert volume is turned all the way up. If it's still not ringing properly, go to settings, then apps, and from the phone option, tap announce call and change it to iOS. And now test your ringtone again, then you can switch it back to your preferred settings if you want. Now let's quickly refresh your network. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off again. And let's refresh your iPhone by press the volume up button once, then volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. And then you just have to turn it back again. And if you're still missing incoming calls, here another thing to check. Open settings, go to apps, and then go to phone, and after that open screen unknown callers and make sure it's set to never. Also check call filtering and make sure it's set to unknown callers. But in your case, if nothing works in your side, you just have to open settings again, then go to general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Here tap reset. So first try reset network settings. If that doesn't fix the problem, go back and choose reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your apps, photos or any important data. It only resets customized settings like your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, keyboard, privacy settings and other system preferences back to their defaults. So once the reset is complete, check if the problem has been resolved. If you have tried everything and your iPhone still doesn't ring on incoming calls, it's mostly like a software bug or a hardware issue. In that case, open App Store, install Apple Support app if you don't already have it, and then select your iPhone. So now you just have to choose SIM or eSIM as the topic and select your carrier. And then you just have to contact with them. Hopefully they will resolve your issue. So hope one of the solution fix your issue. Let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for your time.